Well, hello. This is Crypto Isaac with another video. Very good morning to you guys. And how are we enjoying the sort of bull run? Bitcoin had a awesome burst yesterday, and it was actually I was doing a video, and then Bitcoin just suddenly exploded by $1,000, and I had to stop and look at what's happening because I had a few trades of my own, and yeah. So today I'm gonna focus on a couple of friends have asked me like, hey, I'd like to learn how to trade altcoins, and if you could guide us through, that'd be great. And I'm gonna do just that. I'm gonna go as slow as I can, and as suitable for new investors, I guess. If you have no experience at all when it comes to technical analysis, and yeah. So the funny thing about technical analysis is, yes, it's not a crystal ball, but it is a tool that we use to make our decisions, to kind of justify what are we doing and stuff like that. Okay, so the previous video that I did, it was just zooming past. I was doing technical analysis on a few altcoins, and yeah, I gave all the altcoins prices right here, and it's awesome to say that all these prices got executed. If you were to follow them, you would probably be up significantly. All right, so yeah, if you followed all these calls, all these buy zones, I thank you very much for trusting in me. All right, there's only a few things if you want to trade altcoins, and a huge part of it is actually being patient and let the price come to you. Okay, so yeah, look through this video and you would see most of the coins have actually touched their buy zones, and it's now mooning like crazy. Okay, so let's let's start this video. I'm gonna break down this video into several small parts so that it's easier for you to watch and learn from. Today I just wanna for this first video I'm just gonna talk about TradingView, and this is a tool that I use to trade altcoins with. Okay, what you want to do is you want to go to www.tradingview.com, register an account here, and you can start doing your technical analysis. Okay, it might look a little bit different than mine, but yeah, it's similar. It's just different colors and stuff. So yeah, you want to register an account here, and then you can start trading your altcoins. Okay, so once you registered, you would see this. Okay, it's all white and stuff, but personally, okay, let me just go slowly. So once you start TradingView, you would probably not see Bitcoin and stuff. You would see other kind of other types of stock market assets and stuff. So what you want to do is you want to go to the top right here. It might be a little different, but yeah, just go here, type Bitcoin, and then you can see all of this coins. You have the Bitcoin dollar, and then they also included the exchange. So for Bitcoin, I always look at Bitstamp, which is what we're looking at right now. So you can type any cryptocurrencies in here. There's EOS, there's this. Basically, they have all the coins from Binance. KuCoin, not yet. Most of the, I would say, shit coins, places where you can buy shit coins is not up on TradingView, so you have to use those exchanges to do your technical analysis. So, but the thing is, if you use Binance has this, right? There's no way for you to do technical analysis on them, so it's really hard to kind of justify your purchases. But Binance has an advanced tool, advanced window, and then you have this is where you could do your technical analysis and stuff. But I don't really like using Binance because it's kind of wonky. I'm not too excited about it, and yeah, so I generally use TradingView to do my studies and stuff. So let's jump into it. First thing you want to do is, okay, I like dark and gloomy stuff, so you can change the theme to dark if you want. What I just did is I just right click on the chart itself and go to properties, and you can switch to dark. Okay, and then what I would do is I want all these lines to disappear. I do not want to clutter my studies, so I just make it a little bit more transparent. There we go. Okay, take your time to kind of fiddle around. It took several months for me to get used to it, but yeah, once you get used to it, it's pretty simple. Okay, and the next thing you want to do is, if you're trading altcoins, is you do not want to look at linear scale. Okay, what is linear scale? I'll just show you. Right click again and then go on the price scale. There's a log scale right here, and notice the chart when I press it, it changes. Okay, I wouldn't go too in depth on why is it different and how different it is, but especially for altcoins, let's say Ethereum, Bitcoin, right? You wanna use that log scale instead of linear scale. So this is linear scale. You see, it's very different. So let's do it again. Let's change it to log scale, and look, it's very different. All right. So again, I would not go into the technical side of why it's different and stuff. Just so you know, when I trade altcoins, I use log scale. So like this, we're ready. Okay, so I'll split this video. I'll end this first video right here, and I'm gonna start talking about the next few videos. Oh, and this is just a a kind of summary of what we're going to talk about: Fibonacci retracement tool, RSI, and support lines and basic patterns. That's just all you need to trade altcoins as a new investor. There are other sort of indicators that you can use, but it takes a while. It takes a long time to kind of understand how it works. So I do not want to go into it so much. But as new investors, this is the 3 that you should need. Let me just add one more. It's called patience. Yes, this is very important. This is basically 75% of altcoin tradings, and this 3 is just 10% each. Well, my math sucks. Okay, so this is 70% of trading altcoins, and then this is 10%, 10%, 10%. So you want all these tools to work for you. So let's get into it in the next video. I'll see you guys in the next video where I talk about Fibonacci retracement tool. All right. Okay, see you guys.